Yes, that is an automatic gearbox. Oh, hello there. Fancy seeing you here. I'm glad you are, because today I'm going to show you this brilliant Suzuki Splash. What a name. It's on a 2014 plate. It's got low mileage, and that all-important automatic gearbox has been very well looked after. We've just serviced it. It's got a new MOT. It's ready to drive away. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it. So when you come here to the brilliant Clever Car Collection, you know what to expect. Let's take a look. So this is our little Suzuki Splash. It's got a 1.2 litre petrol engine, fuel economy on the combined cycle of 50 miles to the gallon. It's a 5-door model. It's got 93 brake horsepower. We've got 2 keys for this. It's got things like parking sensors on the rear privacy glass, and some other nice little things. It is insurance group 11E. As you can see, it's cleaned up absolutely beautifully here. We clean all of our cars with Auto Glim polish and cleaning products prior to advertising them. And look at this, it has come up beautifully. So in this video, I just want to show you anything that I have spotted. It will come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard. You can upgrade that to a 12-month one if you so wish. We love Suzukis here because they are just brilliant little cars. Right, in terms of marks, it has got a few of them. I'm going to point them all out in this video. There's a couple here on the front bumper. Ever so slight dent there, can you see it? Just about. A couple of little marks here on the bonnet. A couple of little marks around there on the front grille. Got front fog lights, as you can see. 15-inch alloy wheels, plenty of tread on the tyres. Coming down this side, a couple of marks on the door here. It's got remote entry, which you press that button there and it opens the doors with the key in the pocket. Nice interior, decent space actually, considering it is a small car. You've got Isofix on these seats here. And look at that, blast from the past. Wind up windows, no less. Coming around the back, parking sensors, as I pointed out. The boot is actually a pretty decent size. You've got the parcel shelf in place there. This pops up for a little bit of additional space under there. There's a couple of marks on this bumper. That side's okay, but just down there, there's a couple. Coming down the passenger side, this alloy wheel, looking good. Little mark here on the door, and a little mark here on the wing mirror. This alloy wheel, looking good. And the windscreen, no chips that I can see, and the roof all nice and smart too. So that's the outside. Let's jump in. Right, so as I say, we've got 2 keys. You just have to have one of these in your pocket, and that locks it, and that opens it. So front of the car all nice as well, just like the rear. Jumping in here, I'll start it up. So obviously the key is now in my pocket, and you just turn this little thing here, which is like a key, but it's not. And away we go. And as you can see, 56,725 miles. Just the handbrake and me not wearing a seatbelt, so no warning lights. You've got that all-important auto gearbox. It's quite hard to find small little autos like this, and this is a really good example of that. You've got AM, FM radio, CD player, air conditioning, which is very nice. Little glove box up there, which we like. Over here we've got electric windows. I don't know why I forgot what they were. You've got a automatic wing mirrors with heated, so you can adjust them like so. We've got steering wheel mounted controls here for the stereo. It's just a nice functional interior, isn't it, this? Very, very good condition considering its age. Just a nice comfortable place to be. You sit up quite high, which I like, even though it's a small car. As you can see, incredibly clean in here. Right, let's have a look at the detail. Right, in terms of history, I made a few notes on that. It has had services in 2015, 2017, 2018, 2020, 2022 and 2024, but also we have just had it serviced in 2025 and it's also got a new MOT on it. So this car is ready to drive away today. If you'd like to do that, just get in touch with me. I'm James. You can send me an email. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. Our email address is what I've just said. Our website address is clevercarcollection.com, where you'll find loads of pictures of this car. I'm just going to turn it off. And if you'd like this car dropped to your home, we offer nationwide delivery. So please get in touch with me for a quote of exactly how much that will cost. While you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of being a 5-star award-winning dealership here at the Clever Car Collection. We've just won highly rated for our customer service for the 2nd year running from Auto Trader, and we're very proud of it. And that starts with giving people like you fantastic treatment when you come here to see brilliant cars like this one. If you've got any questions whatsoever, drop me a message. You can do so on our website or whatever platform you're watching this video on, and we look forward to showing you this fantastic little car. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.